Hey guys, welcome to KK Java Tutorials. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to install Python on Windows 10. But if you want to install Python on different Windows flavors, then process would be very much similar. Yeah. So first of all, you need to go to the Google and here just search for the Python, right? And press enter. And this is the official website of Python. Just click on this website. Once you will be navigated on this website, then in download section directly you can download a Windows installer from here itself, or here just click on the Windows, and once you scroll down, then we are looking for the latest installer for our Windows operating system. So here latest Python is 3.9.1. So if you see there is a different installer. Here we have to download Windows installer, which is for 64 bits, right? If your operating system is 32 bits, then you have to download this installer. But my operating system is 64 bits, so just I'm going to this Windows installer. Just click on this, and here you can see download has started. Size of this file is almost 26.9 MB. So this will take some time to download. That also depends on your internet speed. So let's wait till this download doesn't get completed. Yeah. So once download completes, then just you need to click on this installer, double click on this installer. So you'll get this kind of window, and here you have two options to proceed. First of all, you can choose which is by default is selected, install now. So if you select this option, and in that case what happened, your Python is going to install on this path, this location that I don't want. I want to install Python on my customized location. Yeah. And before proceeding, what I would like to tick this checkbox, add Python 3.9 to path. So this will add your path entry for your Python as well. You don't need to set the path for Python explicitly in that case. And just I'm going to select customize installation. Yeah. And here everything I'm going to keep as it is. So like documentation, peep is one of the Python package that I don't want to install explicitly later point of time, and something is called idle, which is inbuilt IDE, which comes with the basically Windows installer itself. So keep everything as it is and click on the next. Right now it will ask you where you want to install your Python. So just you can install Python on your convenient location. So I'm going to select C drive, and within the C drive I have program file. So I'm going to just specify this location. If you want to install Python on your other locations, or if you want to just create one custom folder and there you want to install Python, then in any drive you can create a folder and select that folder path here, and there also you can install your Python. Yeah. Now here I'm going to check this install. I'm going to check this checkbox, install for all users. Yeah. And now just I'm going to click on install. So installation will not take much time. Now you have to say yes. Now installation is going to start. So now you can see initialize. So just wait for some time. Installation is going to start. Now here you can see installation is in process. Now installation of Python is completed. Just close this window, and now I'm going to just try to search Python, and here you can see you can get the Python. So if you click on this Python, then you'll get the Python terminal, and here just I'm going to basically invoke a function is called print, and there I would like to print a message hello world. Yeah, and let's say it, here you can see we get the output, right? Apart from that, Python Windows installer also provides uh, IDLE, that is also called idle. That also you can open over here. If I try to search for Python, then here you will get the option for IDLE, and you can also call idle. This is the basically IDE which is inbuilt with the Python installer package itself, right? So we can open this ID as well. So here you can see this kind of window you'll get, and here let me try to print one message again. I'm going to just print hello world, right? Make sure that it is working perfectly fine. Here you can see this function is printing hello world. Apart from that, if you want to uh, execute Python on command prompt, then that is also possible. Just open the command prompt, and here just you need to type Python and paste enter. Then here you can see now this terminal turns into the Python terminal, right? And here also you can call this function print, and here just I'm going to print hello world. Yeah, and here you can see this is showing the output hello world, right? So guys, in this video tutorial we have learned how to install Python on Windows machine. I hope you enjoy learning this video. Guys, big thank you for watching this video, and see you there in the next video tutorial.